Simplify. 8x plus 5x. Answer is 13x. Add 2x plus 7 plus 5x plus 1. Answer is 7x plus 8. Subtract. 10x plus 9 minus 4x plus 5. Answer is 6x plus 4. Solve. X superscript 2 minus 9x plus 8 equals 0. Answer is 1, 8. Factor. 18x plus 30. Answer is 6, 3x plus 5. Solve. Y equals 5. 3x plus y equals 32. Answer is x equals 9, y equals 5. Solve. Y equals 9. 5x plus y equals 34. Answer is x equals 5, y equals 9. Solve. Y equals 2. 5x plus y equals 27. Answer is x equals 5, y equals 2. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 14x plus 49 equals 0. Answer is minus 7, minus 7. Solve. X superscript 2 minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. Answer is 7, 1. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Answer is minus 1, minus 1. Solve. Y equals 4. For x plus y equals 24. Answer is x equals 5, y equals 4. Subtract. 8x plus 9 minus 2x plus 1. Answer is 6x plus 8. Factor. 12x plus 24. Answer is 3, for x plus 8. Solve. X superscript 2 plus 10x plus 21 equals 0. Answer is minus 3, minus 7.